Welcome. Now in this module, we're going to take a look at management review. And this is part of ISO 27001 requirements to conduct a management review. And this is a very nice article. You can see the URL at the bottom of the screen. So what is the purpose of a management review? The purpose of the management review is to ensure that the ISMS and its objectives continue to remain suitable, adequate, and effective given the organization's purpose, issues, and risks. So it's actually making an evaluation. How are we doing? Are we doing this properly? Are we being effective? Are we being successful? Results. The results of the management review will enable senior management to make well-informed strategic decisions that will have a material effect on information security and the way the organization manages it. So as a result of the review, there would be some results of the review, and those would be actions, corrective actions, etc. What should be covered in the management review? The status of actions from previous management reviews, changes in external and internal issues that are relevant to the information security management system. So this is all part of the agenda on what should be covered in a management review. And third, feedback on the information security performance, including trends in non-conformities and corrective actions, monitoring and measuring results, audit results, and fulfillment of information security objectives. That's all taken as an input on what should be covered in the management review itself. What should be covered? We're continuing feedback from interested parties who have a relation or who are connected with the information security program, results of risk assessment and status of risk treatment plan, and opportunities for continual improvement. Who should attend the management review? For the ISMS information security management system to be effective in an organization, it needs senior management commitment, and as such, it makes sense for the members of an ISMS board to have authority in matters pertaining to information security. Typically, an ISMS board might include the Chief Information Security Officer, Senior Information Risk Owner, Chief Technical Officer, and maybe even the CEO. The outputs of the management review will include decisions related to continual improvement, opportunities, and any needs for changes to the information security management system. So this is a formal mechanism how to conduct a management review in which the senior management is engaged. There are inputs that need to be taken, and there would be some results or outputs that are generated so that we can ensure that we are evaluating effectively with the help of the senior management. We're evaluating how effective the information security program is, and we can take necessary actions for continual improvement. That's all that we have for this module. Thank you.